Good morning, children. My name is Savitri. I am your social studies teacher. How are you all? Hope you safe at home and wash your hands at proper intervals. Shall I ask few questions? Which country do you live in? India. Are you proud to belong to this country? Yes. Fine. Let's start our first session topic, the face of our country. In this lesson, you will learn about India and its location in Asia and also its physical features. Now listen to me carefully. The Indian civilization is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. Children, as you already know that the India is the vast country. India stands at the 7th position in terms of area, whereas when we talk about population, India holds 2nd position. Children, do you know that which country comes on the first position in terms of population? Yes, you are correct. It's China. I think all you well know about COVID-19 first spread in China. Next, coming to the lesson, India is situated in the southern of Asia and is separated from it by the Himalayas. New Delhi is its capital. Do you know what are the physical features of a country? Physical features of a country means its hills, plains, rivers, plateaus, mountains, etc. We can locate India easily on the map of Asia. It lies between the Great Himalayan ranges and the Indian Ocean. Next, about location. Look at the physical map given here. Latitudes and longitudes are shown on it. Do you know what are latitudes and longitudes? No? Look at the diagram. This is the equator. Divides the earth into two equal hemispheres. The area north of the equator is called northern hemisphere. The area south of the equator is called southern hemisphere. The imaginary lines which run horizontally on the surface of the globe are called latitudes. The imaginary lines which run vertically India mainland extend from 8 degrees 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude, which is known as its latitudinal extent. Its longitudinal extent east to west is from 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degrees 25 minutes east. Its north to south extent is about 3,214 kilometers its length, while its east to west extent is about 2,933 kilometers its breadth. Tropic of Cancer, 23 degrees 30 minutes north, passes through the middle of the country, dividing it into two halves. India lies in the northern hemisphere. Is it clear, children? Now it's time for homework. Note down these questions in your notebook. Which country do you live in? Where is India located? Which is the largest continent in the world? Hope you enjoyed this session. In my next class, I will discuss rest of the lesson. Thank you.